Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer. I'm presenting to you a Caterpillar 287B. This skid steer has got a 3,600 pound operating capacity. It is a big, heavy-duty machine. 3,600 pound operating capacity means that you can put 3,600 pounds in this bucket or on a set of forks. You can lift it to full height and you can drive safely on a flat surface with 3,600 pounds in the bucket or on a set of forks. That's 7,200 pounds worth of tipping capacity. This is an awesome, big, bad, rough workhorse of a machine. It's got very good rubber tracks on it. It's got a very good undercarriage. It's all hand joystick, hand control, very easy to use. Very, very good condition machine. I'm going to demonstrate it for you and just let you see for yourself what an awesome machine this is. That's Cat's big, bad machine. If you need something that's a real workhorse, you want to run over a 5-inch around tree and just keep going. If you want to lift 3,600 pounds and drive around with a bucket in the air, if you want to go through ice or deep mud or deep sand, this is the machine you need. It's a big, awesome machine. It's well priced. Check around. Good tracks, good undercarriage, good hours. Another quality machine from Texas Skid Steer.